I welcome you all in our YouTube channel Adhyan IAS Academy, Lucknow. Dear students, aspirants, and all aspirants who are preparing for different kind of examinations. Today we are going to discuss the series of the magnification lectures, and in this lecture I will going to deliver you about the longitudinal or axial magnification. As you know that just we think about the magnification, then we just know about the linear magnification, and we just give the definition, put the definition before anybody, any person, and so we just not have a wide concept of the magnification. So today I am going to deliver you a wide concept of the magnification. Basically, what is the magnification and how many kind of the magnification. So therefore we just look the topic magnification. There are three type of the magnification. First is the linear magnification or transverse magnification. Second is the longitudinal or axial magnification. Third last is the aerial or surface magnification. So how can we categorize and what are their definitions, their expression, their important points? How can we calculate and how can use this formula in our numerical tactics? There are different and several kinds of concepts. So how can, now let us see in our previous lectures in magnification, linear magnification, I just give you a formula m equal to I by O and m equal to V by U, and just I by O equal to V by U. And now this is called a linear magnification. Ratio of the height of image to height of object is called linear magnification, also called transverse magnification. Axial magnification, what are the axial magnification? If you put the object on any mirror just like this, let's consider this is the mirror, and just image formation are here. This one and light ray, this passes through focus, just form the image, and A, B, A dash, B dash, pole, S dash, focus, and check focus. Now, so look this diagram here. Here height of A dash B dash upon AB is linear magnification, and when the image form, the also axial extension is there. This, if you assume this is the height or distance of image V from pole, and this is the distance of object from pole. If the small fraction changes, to keep the object on principal axis, it covers a very definite distance du along the axis, and when the image form, it just take a small extension dv. Though m dash is equal to dv by du is called axial or longitudinal magnification. Means the expansion, the fractional change with the covering of the object on axis to the image, m equal to dv by du is known as axial magnification. And how can we get the expression? But one thing is more, in this diagram, all the kind of magnification, all three, first, second, third, all are involved in it. So all are the correlated, means linear magnification will be related to the axial will be aerial, all are interrelated. So first we get the expression for axial magnification or longitudinal magnification. How we can get? Here we are going to use the differential calculus to calculate this. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the mirror formula and very popular. Here f is constant. If medium is not changed, focal length of mirror will be constant. V is variable and depend on u. V is variable and depend on u. U is the independent. Just you keep the object where the image will form. So you just make a dependence, means u is the variable and v is dependent, u is the independent. So just you make a differentiation with respect of u, means if a small changes in the distance of object, then there will be small changes in the image dv. So when u changes, then v changes. So du upon dv is the fractional change and dv by du is known as linear magnification. Here just get the differentiation, d by du 1 upon f, d by du 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is a constant term, so it becomes 0. d by du v to power minus 1 plus d by du u to power minus 1. Just look, is the u and v cannot be differentiated, so you need to change d by dv v to power minus 1 dv by du. This can be differentiated, minus u square. Now this become also minus v square dv by du minus u square. Just make a solution, u square to power minus 2 minus v square dv by du. Just u to power minus 2 upon v to power minus 2 is equal to dv by du. Then it becomes v by u of whole square is equal to dv by du. Just look, this is the axial magnification. So minus v by u of whole square equal to m dash. This is the expression for axial magnification. Just assume one is the second, but m linear magnification equal to v by u. So from second and third you have m dash equal to minus m square, means linear magnification is associated with axial magnification. So this is the expression for axial magnification, axial or longitudinal magnification. This is the expression. And now in our next video we will discuss about the surface or aerial magnification. Here I just give a expression for axial magnification and just going to establish a relation between linear and axial magnification. Finally we got it, m dash equal to minus m square. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any queries regarding this expression, you can direct call me at 630-772-8647 or you can visit our website to subscribe for this course.